This is the second breadboard demo of the Picard project. What I've changed since last time is I've added the Raspberry Pi, and I've connected the output of my light bulb detection circuit to the Raspberry Pi, and I've also taken the output as the voltage across an LED that I added of having a voltage divider on the output. In the tablet here on the table, I've SSH'd into the Raspberry Pi, and I will now launch the Picard program. So it's running. I have the light on right now. This is the driver's side tail light, and what I'll demonstrate is when I open circuit that light simulating a bad bulb, we will get a notification email. So the LED came on and we sent out a notification. And we have a maximum of one notification per day set up. So I think there was some, when I was pulling it out of the breadboards, we actually got multiple notifications triggered, but it only sent out the first email.